Hello, hello angels, my name is Samantha Satan, and in this video, I'm gonna give you the final little entry of my review series. I will be reviewing Audition Palette number 5 from Younique Cosmetics. So, first things first, let's take a little gander. No. So look at all of these gorgeous colors. I am just crazy in love with every single one of these colors. Now these are all shimmers, so this palette is going to give you the most fallout out of every single palette. However, it's also going to give you the biggest color payoff. It's true. Notice here, all these colors are so vibrant that they're all lid colors. There's not many crease colors in here except for maybe Suspicious. And if you use kind of these colors together, some of them can play as crease colors. So there is just plenty to play with in this palette. So many eye looks that you can use, especially if you're using all these palettes together. I'm gonna get into a little tutorial, but first I want to show you each and every color swatch. Yes, let's get into it. I'm gonna start with the color Brilliant. I took just the tiniest little swipe, and look how pigmented this is. That's redonkulous. Let's go into Vindictive. You see that? Oh, yeah. Suspicious. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to try these. And now I'm gonna go into Vantage. It looks like a orangey color. Ooh, it is! It is an orange color! Yes! Is it orange? Is it red? It's like an in-between. It's blood orange. We could dip into Sarcastic as well, just with my thumb over here. Aw, she's so pretty. It's magenta. I'm completely blown away. I haven't played with every single one of these colors. I played with like a few of them, but I definitely haven't swatched them like this. And they are, oh, so goddamn pretty. But let's take Fearless and Victorious at the end here. Sweet. Oh yeah, sorry. Look at that! Okay, that can be a lid, nope, you can't. This can be a lid color, and this can be the crease color, potentially. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So pretty. Now, my outfit today is very black and gray, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and use the gray first. And you know what? I'm gonna say this isn't the end of this tutorial series. There are so many colors in here that I want to play with each and every one of them. So you know what? Stay tuned. Tomorrow, you're gonna have another tutorial. Boom. So let's get started right away. I'm gonna go in with the Moodstruck Eye Primer. And just a couple dabs. That's like too many dabs, actually. I can use this on both eyes. Oh, definitely. I'm just gonna take Brilliant on my middle, that's my middle finger, ring finger. I'm just gonna pop it into the lid, like so. And oh, wow. Sorry, that was loud. Simply surprised. I was just surprised. This is like bold enough for drag makeup. Like, definitely. Like I had a bunch of fallout, but what I actually did was I accidentally rolled my finger onto the bottom lid by accident. If you're using your finger, you really won't get much fallout at all. It's actually buildable. This time I took a smaller swipe and I was able to build up to the boldness of this eye over here. So if you take just a teensy tiny little bit amount and then work your way up, you know, you can get different desired effects. Laptop making noises. I'm just gonna blend out the edges here. Then I want to do a little bit of a crease to make this lid more dynamic, but I don't want a shiny, shimmery, reflective pigment in the crease because it will do the opposite of what I want, which is to deepen the depth of that, you know, bone. So instead, I'm gonna go in with the color Irate from palette 3. If you want a tutorial on palette 3, just go ahead and click up there. Use this tiniest amount and build upon this. Ooh, yes. And then we'll do our blending. Now, if you find that the black is very black and you want to warm it up a little bit, you can do two things. One, apply like a base color right here underneath the brow, and then go in with a pinky color, something like Tickled. Let's get that base on first. Now, Tender is a very nice base color for the brow. It also highlights it. And then we'll do the initial blending between the highlight and the black. And then we'll get a tiny little bit of the Tickled. You see how tiny that, like, so there really is just a tiny little bit. And then sweep it on like so. See how nice that's blended now? Excuse this bottom part. Before we clean up the bottom lid area, we are going to go in with a nice eyeliner. But first, I'm gonna go in with a pencil. So, be right back. So, somebody might have forgotten to clean their finger off and gotten more gray on the bottom lash area. No fret, we are going to take a little bit of eyeliner. This is the Precision Eyeliner from Younique. Whip I feel like this hair is just going to be in the way today, so. Now we can clean up the messy bottom by going into a concealer that you can't see. Hi, I'm a blob. We're gonna use 4W from Krylon. It's TV paint stick. That's what she looks like. I want these inner corners to pop just a bit, so I'm going to go back in, same little brush I'm using for the concealer, but going in with this silver color, placing it, no. That just makes the eye a bit bigger. That's a great little trick for those who have hooded eyes or sunken eyes or deep set eyes like I do. But I'm going to go back into palette 3 and go into Determined here and just swipe underneath the eye. I'm next gonna add a tiny bit of Irate, that's this color here, on the outer corners. And do a little bit more blending with this smaller fluffy brush. Now the last step is to add a mascara, and I'm going to use the Epic mascara, and I'm just going to do this really quickly. BRB. Alright, my lashes are done, and I'm going to add a little layer of lip gloss. Ooh, I wonder what would happen if I just took a little bit of the shimmy and then just like, Ooh. Oh, yeah. Now I think this is just gorgeous, and it can be, I played around with it a little bit, it can be layered, so it can be really silver, but I'm going to a meeting, and I don't think a bold gray lip is gonna work for me. Sorry. I want to try one more thing. Just one more thing. It's a blending, but it's a subtle, highlight. Alrighty, angels, I spent enough time on this look. And I gotta go to work. I hope you enjoyed this review and tutorial video. My name is Samantha Satan, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye, angels. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below, if you don't mind.